I'm going to do something a little bit different than Don, and it's mainly out of necessity. I tend to, I'll get going with a group of people and they'll ask me to do something, and I don't ever think about it, Chuck. First thing I think about is a towel and a bucket, because I'm always working on the surfaces and I want to protect them. So I'm going to take this towel, fold it up comfortably, just like you pulled it off your shelf, and I'm going to lay it in there. And I'm going to take just a 5-gallon bucket. It doesn't have to be a 5-gallon bucket. It could be in relations to any size that you do. And make sure that you've got it as close to center as you can. I'm going to lift the bat up. I'm going to put my hand under the bat, put my hand on top of the bucket, and I'm just going to simply flip it over. And that's eliminated having to grab the rim here. That's very fragile, and it won't be any fractures or cracks or any stress anywhere around here, and it gives me the opportunity now to take the bat off, and I can adjust it. Let's get it on center here.